Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Today we've got a local 23 Dodge Ram Laramie 5.7 Hemi. Exceptionally nice car. It only has 20,001 miles on it. Granite crystal metallic. Beautiful, beautiful truck. You walk around, let you take a look at it. It's got a bed cover on it already, a hard trifold bed cover. Never been used to work out of. It's got a drop-in liner in it. Bed cover. It is a crew cab 4-wheel drive. So got about everything you could want, I think. Sport package. As with all our cars, we put this car through the shop, clean it up, detail it, fully service it, new fluids, new filters. That's all this truck's going to need with 20,000 miles on it. But we'll check all the brakes and make sure there's no issues, no rattles, bangs, vibrations, or shakes. No funny smells, no funny noises. Let you see the inside. Laramie has the big screen, leather seats with the gray piping, dual power seats, 2 keys, 2 remotes, big screen, 20,001 miles, steering wheel's in great condition, truck hasn't been worked out of, upper console, LED lighting, all-weather floor mats, memory seating, suede inserts. I like that. Lots of room in the back.
They help keep you productive through late winter and early spring.
Rear slider and a rear defroster.
Latest updates. Proudly serving Northeast Georgia.
Rear power outlets and USB ports. Once we get it in the shop here in a few minutes, the wheels will come off. We'll clean the back side of the wheels and all the little spokes and make everything look brand new. Just an exceptionally nice used truck with super low miles. Really, really hard to find trucks in this condition that haven't been used to work out of. And if you all follow my YouTube channel, you know I don't like trucks that have been worked out of. There's lots of good ones, but they're just usually beat up more than I can get them to the condition that I want them in. So I like trucks like this, personal transportation.
Call us today at 706-246-1700 to schedule an interview or apply in person at the Gables at Cobb.
Don't forget, we sell extended warranties at our cost. We don't mark them up for a profit. I just happened to do one on this truck. Get a 5-year, 75,000 mile bumper to bumper platinum warranty for under $2,000. We have great financing for great credit, good financing for good credit, bad financing for bad credit. But we can get you approved if anyone can. You can call me on my cell anytime. Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. Appreciate you guys looking. Have a great day.